Another shipment in today from Speed Industry. I know there's a few goodies in here. I've been working on the car, might as well get this unpacked. Let's see what we got for the new 2020 Supra. Yeah, a little installation video on how to do the carbon mirror caps. So, I guess to figure that out, since I just said that, I went ahead and did the replacement caps from Rexpeed. Hopefully that's all lined up good. So you do need to take the original ones off, and then these are the new ones that just snap in. They look, wow, first impression's amazing. A lot more cheaper than the Cibon pieces. And I think the quality's there, and the weave is beautiful in it. So I can't wait to put those on. So I have two of those there. And then, I'm not sure what this is. Ah, yeah, okay, this is also made by Rexpeed. These are the paddle shifters. Oh, look at this nice little packaging. So I'm going to make sure that this is, yeah. So these are just add-on paddle extensions, 3M tape. I'll just heat that up with a heat gun and stick these on after I alcohol clean the backside of the stock paddles. These are really nice. Sorry, I got to get behind the camera here, make sure this is coming into focus. Look how nice those are. That'd be really nice. The aluminum part will fill in this area nicely, and then that'll extend up further, a little further down. It says plus or minus on it. Very, very cool. Can't wait to show you those. And then a little pry tool for getting that off. Oh, surprise! Another piece by Rexpeed. These are the passenger side interior badge. This goes right between the vents, two carbon fiber strips that are stick-on. Now I think the launch edition ones came with this. So I'll do some installation videos of getting this stuff on the car. Maybe I'll put it all in one video. Maybe I'll break it up. I'll probably break it up, do the mirror by itself, and then do the paddles in another video in the strip of these two interior parts, exterior parts. So take along. Right now I think I'm going to go ahead and tackle the mirrors. Alright, here we go. Further instructions. I want you to tuck a little tape underneath there to make sure you don't hurt this. Put that pry tool under, and there it goes. They want you to just you don't need to disconnect the wires. That was easier than I thought it was going to be. That one's done. That one's done. I think there's only, let's see, look at that cap. It's actually pretty easy. So I'll get a close up here. I was pinching these together with the pliers. There's a little tab that you have to lift up to keep them from pinching together. And it pops off. It's an overall squeeze. And now I want to make sure those tabs are in far enough that the little locks can get back down. And I got it. That won't come out now. The tabs are locked. Looks great. Looks all flush. Take this tape off. Line it. Press. And it's back on. I have to readjust my mirrors or they'll go back to the setting. I don't know. Take this down. Show you what I ended up with here. Look how nice those look. I like it. All right, nice, even, just like the factory line. I'll have to have those clear brawled also so they don't get all rock chipped up and beat. All right, I'll go ahead and do the other side. I won't show you that. I'll get a little video at the end, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comments. I'll try to follow up with some answers and maybe some questions of my own. So I'll do the other side and get this thing cleaned up. Video of doing the painted side markers. Well, I just got done doing the mirror caps and the Rexpeed mirror caps. Very affordable, probably the most affordable, nicest ones on the market right now. They're beautiful. I would say this project is a total DIY, do-it-yourself in your garage. Don't be afraid of popping that off with the supply pry tool. This pops off and snaps right back on real easy. And then pinching those tabs, the 3 tabs, and just pulling this off is super simple. The whole project took about 10 minutes per side. Probably could get it done faster. So I'm very happy with the look of the mirrors. I really like that look on this car. So thanks for watching to the end. I always hope these type of videos help people out. Hit that subscribe button. I'll be bringing more videos. Thanks.